What is retinal artery occlusion? The blockage of the retinal arterial system is called retinal artery occlusion. Now let's see retinal arterial system. Here the red one is our central retinal artery and the blue one is our central retinal vein. When central retinal artery enter into the eye through the lamina cribrosa in this area, it divides superiorly and inferiorly. Then it divided into branches to supply the whole retina. So these are the central retinal artery and these are the branch retinal artery. The occlusion may occur in the central retinal artery or maybe in the branch retinal artery. Now the question is, what will happen if the retinal arterial system get blocked?
Preparing for optometry government exam? Enroll our course, Gov Job Preparation, to get access to notes, mock tests, MCQs, previous year MCQs, videos and more.
To understand this, first we need to know what is the function of retinal arterial system. Retinal arterial systems supply oxygen-rich blood and essential nutrients to the retinal neural cells so that they can alive and function normally so that we can see. Now, if there is a occlusion, there will be lack of blood supply to the retina, a condition called ischemia. When there will be lack of blood supply or ischemia, there will be lack of oxygen and lack of nutrients also. So the lack of oxygen is called hypoxia. When there will be hypoxia or lack of nutrients, then retinal neural cell will get damaged. Our retinal neural cells are permanent cell. When they get damaged or died, they get damaged forever. There is no means of treatment or surgery to recover them. So the vision loss or visual field loss will be permanent. Now, if the occlusion occurs in the central retinal artery, then there will be lack of blood supply in the entire retina. So the retina will be completely get damaged and it will lead to total visual field loss. That will occur in central retinal artery occlusion. And if the occlusion occurs in the branch, suppose in this area, then that branch supply this specific area only. So in this specific area, the retinal neural cell will get damaged and it will lead to a sectorial visual field loss. And it will happen in branch retinal artery occlusion. In the next part, I will discuss about characteristic features of retinal artery occlusions, like in which conditions it found more common, it is more common in males or females, or it is affected in both eyes or only in single eyes.
Please like the video and subscribe for more optometry tutorials. Don't forget to check out our full courses on the app. See you in the next video.